You want to see something cool? This right here, this is a Scotch-Brite pad from 3M. And you can get scratches out of your stainless steel appliance. I bought this appliance, this fridge, for like 300 bucks, right? And it had scratches all day long. And we got more scratches. I'm gonna try to get these out too. But anyways, let me show you what you do. All right, so clean it first. If you got a lot of scratches in your stainless steel appliance, I just picked this up just from somebody who was getting rid of it. It was used, it was in really rough shape. Had a lot of scratches, maybe that's why they were getting rid of it, I don't know, but you can see there's a lot of damage still on it. Look at the mess. Okay, it's a renovation. But beside that, I've already started working at it and I can already tell a huge difference. This is what it is, Scotch-Brite 3M pad. Let me show you what that is. Right here, this is what it is, moderate stripping pad. That's kind of like a medium grit, where if you'd compare it to sandpaper. And then the next one I'm gonna do is an ultra fine. So it's gonna be even finer. It's not gonna scratch it up or scuff it up as bad. You don't really want it really coarse. So I've been using these two. I'm using this one first. Next, the last one, I'm gonna finish it up with the ultra fine. You can get those at your big box store. So all you do is, I'm using the wood behind it, a piece of scrap wood. That way I'm not getting finger smudges or uneven surface. Just go like this. You don't want to, I'm not pushing really hard, but I'm also not stopping in one spot either. I'm going up and down with the grain. You want to see what the grain is. See, if you can see here, I'm going to try to zoom in. You can tell that the grain is going up and down, vertical. Sometimes the grain goes left to right, horizontal, but in this case, this fridge has vertical. Also, you want to see if your stainless steel appliance is coated or uncoated. This happens to be uncoated. There's a way to test for that. You gotta, if it gets some black on your fingers from some kind of pad you can get, I didn't use it. I just did research to figure out if this was coated or uncoated. But see how I'm just going up and down with the grain? Just giving it a little bit of pressure. And I'm just trying to go all over the whole thing so I make it consistent, right? I don't want to go back and forth in one spot and then it's going to look all nice and then the rest is going to look uneven. I also don't want to stop and start in the same spot because then you're going to probably have a line where you've started and stopped. All right, so I'm just going up and down. And I'm gonna go all over this thing. I'll post some before and after pictures, but I'm doing a full renovation, but I'm also DIY on a budget or DIY on a dime. So I'm getting everything that I can for the best deal that I can. And then if I have to put a little sweat equity elbow grease into it, that's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna try to bring this thing back to its glory days, a brand new condition, as close to new as possible. So we're gonna see what happens. Like I said, just go up and down, or left to right, depending on the grain of the stainless. You can already see the difference. It's making a huge difference. See, I got all these scratches up here too. We're gonna see about getting rid of those. It's kind of hard to see them, but I can see them right there, see? This side of the fridge too. It's got some scuffs in it. Same thing, we're gonna go up and down, up and down. Not staying in the same place, going with the grain of the stainless steel. Test it out too in a small spot too. Don't just start going after it. Maybe on the side door or something, you know? Like you might have stainless on the side, so test it out in a small spot before you just go crazy with it. Because if you're actually doing it on a coated, if your stainless steel has a coating on it, this isn't gonna work and you might mess it up even more than the condition it's in. So always test it out first, but that's all I got for now.